This is Domingo with you today. Hope you're doing fantastic. And today we're going to be showing you Betacard. This is the first mobile app that allows you to create digital business cards to promote your business without having to use paper. Now, I made a video previously on how to make business cards custom made in a last video. So this video is going to be a completely new concept on how to make business cards altogether. So we're first going to start by creating a new card or theme. So when you download the app, you can download the app on iOS and Android. The links will be in the description below this video, and it will take you straight to the main menu here where it'll allow you to create your first card. So what you do is you're going to go create a new card or theme. So you press on this, and then what it'll do is it'll give you the guide, and it'll say flip to design the other side of your card. So it allows you to do editing on one side and then on the other side, and then it gives you tips as you go. And then it says here to tap on the object you'd like to align. Then select the align function, tap on the anchor reference object, and select the type of align function desired. So we're going to skip those tips for now, and we're just going to show you exactly what it's like. So this is your blank canvas for your app, and you can do this straight from your phone here, which is really nice. There's also a web editor too, which I will do in another video. So we're going to go and select themes, and then it has a lot of custom themes from the start. So we have the blank canvas to start, and then we also have previous designs that were made as well. And these are the default designs of the business card. So depending on what you want to promote in a business card, these are the templates that you can use. So what we're going to do is we're just going to select one. So let's say you want to be a photographer, and then you press on this design, and then it'll go through and create the theme, boom, right there. So it'll show all your information here, and we're just going to go skip tips, and that's not my phone number. Let me just edit that. To change mobile field, please visit settings. Okay, well, we're just going to delete that for now. So then you can enter your phone number, your email, and then you can also type in website, and then we're just going to go, you can press on edit to edit the names, and then let's just say Mirandam, let's just say that, and then you go done, and then you're not going to press save yet. You're just going to enter everything here. So you can also edit the picture, I believe. No, actually you can't edit the picture. So this design is part of it. So you press on here so that you can edit your website. So you can go, let's say YouTube. You can just delete the text here like this. Then you go youtube.com/D22 photos. And then you press the check mark. And then you can resize it and rescale it however you like. And then they have here fonts, styles, colors, and effects. So you can select the font by pressing it, and then it also shows all the fonts available here. And then we're just going to select the Bebas New so that it fits in there. And then we're going to do the same thing for the Instagram. So let's go Instagram. Let's just put a colon here. Let's edit the Instagram. There we go. Instagram, and then add a colon, D22 photos. Sorry, keyboard's all wonky donkey. And then you press the check mark, and then you select the font, the Bebas New, and it fits right into the card, which is really, really nice. And then you can also, we're going to edit the same thing. We're just going to select the font and just select Bebas New. We're going to just select Bebas New all around. Just make it this custom font because I just like the look of this font. And there we go. So there's our business card right there. And then you can add more fields. And then you can hold and drag a field onto your card. So, okay, so then what you do is you go enter, let's say, you can go email, and then you can drag it onto there. And then you can go address. So when you go to fields, hold and drag field onto card. So we're going to just press that and drag it. Okay, it's not letting us do that. That's a little strange. So usually it would allow us to hold and drag it here, but it's not allowing us to do that. We're just going to go and select an icon. There we go. Then you can put the email icon there, and then we're going to select here. Let's see if we can find the YouTube icon. There we go. So there is our YouTube logo. We're just going to move that over here like that. And then we're going to find the icon where it says Instagram. So then find your Instagram logo. So hold it and then drag it. It should allow us to do that. Let's go back. Okay, so let's go icon again, Instagram. Let's see. Okay, it's not letting us do that. There we go. Just takes a little bit. So you can add little icons, you can add little fields. You have to press and hold it down really good here. There we go. And then you can just delete that if you don't like it. Then you can also select images as well. So these are the images from your camera that you can select here that you can put in as well. So for example, we're not going to use any of those. We're going to select another folder. You can put images in there too. So let's just select something like this. Then you can check mark that. Then you can pinch and drag it. So you can do however you want with that, but we're not going to use that. We're just going to delete that and just leave it as is. But you can insert your own images for your card, which is really nice. Then you can select the background. You can select a color and a texture. So you can use the color wheel here and adjust the colors of however you like. And then you can also select here your images. So you can go paper. And you can select like a paper style. So this is like a paper style finish there. But you can also, if you don't like it, you can just press undo at the top. The undo arrows here. And then you can go back to where you were if you've made a mistake. And then it shows here a grid or a guide. And then you can also zoom in on the card like this. And then you can also align the card. I'm going to select an object to align. There we go. I'm just going to undo all that. And then we're going to go, we're not going to go done yet. We're just going to go to the icons. And then we're just going to realign them like that. So if you like what you have here, you can just go straight to done. And then you can name it Photographer on the Go. And you can press Save Card. And then it'll start the whole process. And there's your card. So this is the card that I started out with. We're just going to go and we're just going to delete that first. So we're just going to leave that there. So this is your card that you just made. And then you can swipe up to send. So we're going to swipe up. And then you can go nearby. You can go messaging. You can do QR code. And then you can do others. So for now, what we're going to do is we can also do it through WhatsApp. I'm going to select another app here. You can also generate an online link. You can have numbers of redemptions. And you can set the redemption. Let's just say we're going to do about 99 redemptions. And the duration is 5 minutes. And you can generate your QR code. And then you can save the QR code to gallery as well so that it automatically gets your business card. And then you can copy the card and then you can share it via the messaging system as well. So you can also go into Messenger and then send it as well. We're going to just send it to one of my friends. And there we go. We're able to send a card with that. Then you can also do it through QR code. Then you can also scan the QR code even offline, which is really nice. And then there are also other ways to do it. There's a private tag, and then there's also a vault. You can select context there, and then you can also go nearby. And mostly this is just through the WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger for now. But you can also share it using other methods here. QR code is one of the easiest ones that you can do so that they'll be able to see your card on their phone. So if you send them the code, then they'll be able to look at your card, which is really nice. And then we can also do the other side. I'm just going to go and edit that. So you can go flip, and there's the back of the card. And then you can also edit. You can also go into the back and edit. We do your shots. We do your shots. Let's just say that. And then there's the custom picture, which you can also do as well. You can set the fields. You can go and hold social media. And then you can go to YouTube. And then you can provide only the username for your social media fields. So that is how you do it. So then we're going to go edit. Let's do Domingo 0022 Highway as an example. And there's your social media field. And then you can just go done and then save the card again. So once you save the card and you create the design on both sides, it automatically saves it. So that way you can just go and look at your card, and then you can preview it as you go. So that is generally how you make a business card using Betacard. It's really intuitive, and it allows you to have freedom and design flexibility when promoting your businesses through social media. So I find it really useful. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. And if you have any other questions, please leave it in the comments below. And I'll leave the download links in the description below. Thank you again.